Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert a cloud shape on your PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now click on this comment option and this drawing option and select this cloud option. Now draw your cloud and draw your cloud shape. And see this and double click and see a cloud shape now added, and you can rotate it, you can increase decrease shape point and sense, and you can sense shape color, custom color, and see this. Okay, and this is opacity, you can sense this solid line, you can make it dashed line, and this is cloudy line, and thickness I make it 5, and see this. In this way you can add cloud shape on your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.